So your lid is sealed, but you're not sealed. Okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These videos show up on my channel every Thursday and Sunday. They're all pretty much around the same thing, like beauty, hair care, skincare, nails. Today we're going to be doing hair, and I do have a playlist just for hair, so if you're interested in stuff like that I've done, head on over there. This video will be in there as well. We're going to be trying out the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In. Yeah, it's all right there. All of this. So, I mean, at first when I got it, I think I got it in my FabFitFun box. I got it and I'm like, oh, a CC cream. Like, that's a huge CC cream. I'm gonna get that. There's no option for like tone or whatever. Maybe they know because it might be in my file. And I get it and it says like leave-in 10-in-1, and I was just confused. And then someone was like, it's for your hair. And of course it is for your hair. I did end up looking it up. It's for your hair. Also the instructions say it's for your hair. So it's for your hair, and I believe it's $30. $30. Ulta, Sephora, different places you can pick it up, $30. And I want to try it out and see if it works. I did just recently get my hair done like 5 days ago. This is my first wash after 5 days, I know. Yeah, we'll just take this down. It's not much is done to it. I did shampoo and condition it this time because I'm not using my purple shampoo right now for like 2 months. Kind of sad. That's why I like, oh, this is purple, maybe this could fill the purple void, something like that, you know. But I'm gonna try this today. You're here for support. It does a whole bunch of things, supposedly. We have a lot of claims. We got moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. It's a mouthful, but that's 10 in 1. Oh, it says helps protect hair color from UV rays. I don't have hair color. I have lack of color in my hair, like bleach, because of the grays. So that might fit into this pretty well, though. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I feel like a parent, just like, we'll see. The directions say apply evenly to clean towel-dried hair and style as desired, and can also be used as a finisher on dry hair for added perfection. Like as if my hair wasn't amazing enough. We just want to add some protection. Yeah. Caviar Anti-Aging. Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In. It should say like conditioner or something like it is. So yeah, I haven't used any of my other products in my hair. If you're new here and you haven't heard me rant about this all the time, I don't usually condition my hair. I do leave-in conditioner and oils, and shampoo, and that's it. That's all my hair does. She likes it. She's pretty. All I've done so far is shampoo and condition it because I'm trying something new, and this will be added in there, so we'll see how it feels. Yeah. All right. This is like pre-brush, pre-everything. Pre-brush, pre-part, pre-comb. Like before anything happens, this is it. This is what she looks like. Yeah. Let's move into this. All right, let's move into the Moisture CC cream. Like, isn't CC supposed to be like color correcting for like your face? Let's see. We don't smell bad. Definitely comes out looking like a conditioner. Oh, we're smooth. And then what I'll do is I'll come in and just kind of pat it throughout. Ooh, my hair smells nice already. That shampoo, the shampoo I used does not smell good. The conditioner smelled amazing. And rub it into the under parts of my hair up here. Yeah. Rub it in. Not like super hard or anything like that, but I get down probably to like my scalp. I can already feel it back here. Let me part my hair and bring it forward so we can see. Here it is. And then just a little bit more I'll grab for the ends. So far, not gonna lie, this feels really nice on my hair. And I kind of just tussle it through very gently, by the way. Like, I'm not aggressive or anything, but very gently. Tussle it through. Oh, let me get a little bit more. I ran out before I hit the ends on this side. It's very, like, watery, I guess. Which is good. Then, of course, I'll come in from the bottom for my ends, which are beautiful, by the way. Ugh. Oils do amazing jobs. I'm actually going to skip my oil today and rely solely on this. So whatever is on my hands, I hope it works tomorrow. You see how yellow my ends were? They were brown. But my amazing stylist, Gabby, fixed it, and I'm so happy. Alright, so that's everything. Mess it around a little bit. I don't do too much under because I feel like under gets like a ton of oils on its own, just sweating and whatnot. Oh, left my hands really soft. I'm still gonna wash off the remainder though, real quick. And I don't do much. I just add a little bit of water and wipe it off. Should I be doing more? I wonder. I have questions. Oh well. All right, here we go. So far so good. It doesn't feel yucky, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel ucky. It's nice. It's not thick. It's really light. I don't know where she went to. My Foxy Bay leave-in condition. Oh, she's right. I use the Foxy Bay leave-in. I either have this one, the 10-in-1, or 12-in-1, my bad, 12-in-1, or the other one that's just like the leave-in conditioner. Both of them work really good, and I feel like this is very similar to that texture and feel on my hair. So it's really nice, actually. Except I think Foxy Bay is like, I want to say like $15, and this is again $30. So unless you get this on sale, we'll see. Next, I'm gonna come in and brush my hair. Yeah, she's a mess. She's thick, she's long. What I do is I come in, I just comb this part roughly back, like not even well, and then we'll part it. Lately I've been like doing the middle because it's easy for me. That's all that comb was used for. Then we'll come in with my wet brush. Yes, I'm addicted to these. So are my small humans. They steal my wet brush all the time. I've tried to buy them their own, but I feel like they still come back to mine for some reason. And then what I do, just brush this a bit to hold it out of my face. I'm gonna come in and start from the bottom and work my way up through both sides of my hair. Wow, this feels nice. It does. A little, like now that it's drying, it's kind of like thicker. Like instead of a lotion, you have like a moisturizer or a body butter. That is what this feels like now. Still nice, but I like it. We'll see how this does when it dries. I'll probably leave that information down in the comments. By the way, I don't know if you've been able to tell, I'm absolutely in love with my hair. I swear, every time my stylist does my hair, it's like for a month afterwards, I can't help but like, that is where my attention goes. Stare at it, give it just, I love it. It's so beautiful. She does such a great job. I love it. Anyway, I would definitely give this like thumbs up. Yep, total use. I would definitely recommend. For $30, there's definitely alternatives out there. I mean, again, I'll have to see how it does. I do not style my hair like maybe 2-3 times a year. I'm gonna come in with a hot tool on my hair and style it. So this is all just gonna air dry for the rest of the evening into the night. I don't know, did you guys end up getting this in your FabFitFun box, or do you purchase it regularly? Have you tried it? Or are you watching this video to figure out if you wanna try it? Because I mean, definitely worth a try. For $30 though, what's your budget look like? I mean, and then if you really wanna get into taking care of your hair and you want that good routine down and price is really kind of optional for you, this might be it. For me, I mean, my Foxy Bay is great. Finally, check-in time. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Yes. As yellow / brassy as it is, we're doing very well. I am really loving my hair with the whole leave-in cream hoopla stuff, the CC hair mask doodle, leave-in, whatever the longest name in the world is. I like it. It's nice. Is it $30 nice? Maybe. But I mean, look at this. My hair is soft. Like, I just came from the salon and got it like conditioned, deep conditioned. It's so nice. It's shiny, as you can tell. It's not just yellow, it's shiny. I love it. And it smells good. Did I mention it? It smells good. I turned on my fan when I was at work today, and like my fan is behind me, and it just like whoosh, and it, oh, so nice. You know what I mean? Yeah, it was nice. It is nice. I like it. I like it a lot. It's really, really good. It's something, let me tell you. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on whether or not you ended up picking this up or you're gonna end up picking this up. I don't know. $30 is still a little steep for me. Probably gonna stick with my Foxy Bay. But I don't know. Let me know if you tried it. Are you gonna try it? Do you plan on picking it up? Like, is this thing ever on sale? Because I mean, like, I don't normally get my Foxy Bay products unless they're on like sale or super mega ultra sale. Then I stock up. So if this was like on sale, maybe super ultra mega like markdown on sale, I'd probably pick up a case because it works really well. But then again, I mean, how important is your hair too? So many questions I have, no answers. I mean, let me know your answers to all these questions I'm asking. I'm gonna go now. Remember, Thursdays and Sundays, and I will catch you next time. Bye.